So me and the hubs are going to take a little one-day getaway. He wants to go kayaking. I really don't, but whatevs. And we're going to go to a vineyard up in Warren County, New Jersey, and then kayak the Delaware, the Gap. So I think I've just put together what I'm going to be wearing. And yeah, so carrying my overnight bag, my Louis Vuitton, this is the Keep All, the 45. Have obviously yet to pack that, but the unmentionables are already inside. I think I'm going to be wearing the dress tomorrow because tomorrow we're just gonna head up to the vineyard straight from here and hang out there for a while. So I'm gonna wear this dress that you guys seen already. I think the straps are so pretty. Let's see. Yeah. And it's just easy breezy. The Gucci bag will be coming along since I can't seem to change out of her just yet. I think I've overstuffed her too much. Yeah, so this will be all day, and I think I'm just going to wear it with my Coach sandals. Just gonna call it a day. And then for kayaking, the shirt that I haven't hauled yet. I have such a huge amount of clothes to show you guys that I bought. But this is my Coach Rexy tee that I bought from the outlet sale. And then just a pair of L&M ripped legging, what do you call it? Sweats. And then with my Adidas, gold and black Adidas slides. I'm not wearing any of my sneakers because I don't want to get them messed up, but I'll be in a kayak, hopefully, the whole time. So I shouldn't have a problem with slides. And a little nightie that I never get to wear when I'm home. And while I kayak, I probably will be bringing this Coach belt bag that I can sling around me, and I will most likely take off the accoutrements that I have on here because we don't need any of that extra bulk. And then a bathing suit. It's my favorite bathing suit from Trina Turk. We'll see. The hotel that we are going to is new and it boasts a pool, so just in case the pool is open tomorrow night, if we fancy a dip, I shall be prepared. So yeah, I think that's good enough for a night. And then I'll put in my toiletries tomorrow as I use each one so I don't forget, and my hair stuff, makeup, and we're good to go. One bag, one night. Pretty good. We have made it to Alba. It is, I think, what's the day? The 14th? Anyway, yeah. We have just made it to Warren County, New Jersey. Warren, New Jersey. Our first round. Oh, I know. They're not used to yummy pizza and my husband's hand. Thank you.
No,
what? We forgot to vlog the food.
First of all,
but we got steak. This man. We got steak and
stop it. Okay.
And penne. I'm not stopping it. Would you move your hands north? North. There's cars coming, by the way, too. This is like the biggest bird of paradise I've ever seen. Gorgeous. Gorgeous. I'm editing all this, by the way. Oh, that's cute. That's cute for one night. Yeah, we can see our kayaks.
Oh, yes, yeah.
That's cute for one night. One night getaway. Yeah.
Perfect.
See what it's nice, it's clean, it's new. And that's what I'm all about. Nice spacious bathroom. Whew. Nice and clean. Look now. Nice and, I mean, this is pristine.
Oh yeah.
This is, I'm bringing the kids back here. I can even walk on this barefoot. I'm going to die. This is not my thing. Ah. Wait. Once you get used to it, it's actually very nice. It's a good workout too. I don't know how far we're going, but we came pretty far already. Very quiet out here.
People go for this, there's nothing.
Crazy man. Chilling out on this little piece of rocky thing while the husband drives. I'm starving. I'm starving. I wasn't hungry this morning, so I didn't eat, and now I'm starving. I don't know why you didn't keep your shirt on. Not my favorite part.
We got these ones in here. Oh wow. Everyone, we have certain plants.
We've got some ferns. But I don't think ferns do very well.
No.
We have a ZZ, but I want the raven, not the black ZZ. Jade. It's hilarious how I know all these now. Snake plants.
Hey, Dad.
We've got medallion, calathea, gorgeous. I have you already. I will own you.
Whoa. Look at this one.
Oh, what is going on? Well, that's a tall one.
Whoa.
Some monsteras, even though I'm so tired of seeing that plant.
We'll never get this plant.
That one, guys, it has a flower. Don't touch it.
Yeah, it does.
Some cactus.
Mommy, I'm gonna try this one.
Do they have them? Well, I'll get that next time. Alright, let's go. Oh, I want this one actually, guys. Doesn't it look like called the fairy tale castle? Don't touch it. Doesn't it look like a fairy castle?
This one? This one up.
Go, Stella.
Do not touch them.
Don't touch them. You're gonna prick yourself.
The plants can do. The bumblebees can do this.
I'm going now.
Hi, everyone. Well, as you can see.
Oh, they have my purple waffle. Oh, they have a nerve plant back there. Oh, another nerve plant here.
Okay, what's happening?
It's just the wind. Alright, go ahead, walk. Looks like some sort of fern. Another fern. I don't know if I'm good with ferns yet. My little fern I have isn't doing too well. Oh, is that an asparagus fern? Oh, my favorite plants. I love these. I'm so tempted to get another one. Alocasia poly. Rubber trees. Wish they had the two. Come this way. More fiddles. More plants.
Whoa.
Looks like that golden compost is gone. Oh, I'm gonna have to buy one.
When you buy it.
Yes. I was looking for this. This is the Taniki rubber plant. I'm buying it.
Buy it.
Alright, so I've been ordering plants by mail. Didn't know that was a thing until I knew it was a thing. Ordered a couple of plants, and I've had pretty much overall a good experience. And this is the latest one, so just wanted to show you guys how it comes, how most of them come. This one is from Etsy. And let's see. And this one is potted. I've received both potted plants and bare roots. So this is potted. So let's see how this looks. This is the Cissus Discolor. Looks like it came in a very good condition except for one little leaf. But that's fine. I will have to do a plant tour soon. But yay, love it. Whatever keeps them happy. They are soaking wet. We were on a bike ride and they came upon some sprinklers. Oh, to be young. I got one douse of that sprinkler and I'm sitting on my bike.
Yes! We made it! We escaped!
Soaking.
What?
Absolutely soaking wet.
I'm so cold!
Miserable? Yes, you should be cold.
No, I'm not cold. I'm not cold too.
Yeah, okay.
Let's go! Whoa! But it's the dirtiness, but it's not the dirtiness.
Come on, Stella.
See this? This is the dirtiness. That's not it. See? It's funny. You can stay there.
It's Mr. Froggy on the window pane. He's so cute. Move your fingers. Come on, I don't. Hello, Mr. Froggy. Hello. You trying to get away from the thunderstorm?
Look at eyes.
I don't blame you.
No, mommy.
It's cute. Thank you.
This is a girl thing. Don't come back! Don't stop calling me! Stop me now! Stop calling